What the what? What the what? What happened? How did we miss it?
Yes.
How did I miss it?
Yes.
Well, it made it. It made it past the tower, so that's a good sign. Everyday astronaut missed it. Maximum dynamic pressure. So this is Everyday Astronaut. This is SpaceX.
Condensation layer, that's why you see all that. Wow. Oh. That's so good.
I'm gonna mute him. 27 Merlin engines in this bad boy. That's a lot of Merlin engines. Once again, welcome back to another SpaceX live stream. This is the Falcon Heavy launch. It has not launched since February 6th of 2018. This is actually a new vehicle. Same body style, little upgrades, or few upgrades. But on board it does have, I think it's Arab Satellite 6A, which is a telecommunications satellite that's going to provide serious upgrades to for communications in Europe. So I'm gonna switch this over. SpaceX. So the SpaceX live stream launched on time. It's appeared that maybe there was some kind of delay in the one that I was watching. Woohoo! Separation, that's first stage separation. MECO, main engine cutoff, MECO. Oh man, come on. Live stream for SpaceX. Okay, so on this side, oh, actually here. Make it on 1080. So over here, actually both of these are now the same. You're 3 minutes and 4 seconds in, 7,800 kilometers per hour. MECO, main engine cutoff, excuse me.
Everything looking good on the flight of Falcon Heavy. The next major event.
All right.
Main engine cutoff of the center core and separation ignition of the second stage.
So the center core is going to come back down to the drone ship, Of Course I Still Love You, which is in the middle of the ocean. This is from Cape Kennedy Space Complex, Launch Complex, or Space Center Launch Complex 39A. MECO, center core, there it goes, see it? Okay, so here's space, right there. So this section right here, there's the cutoff. Okay, and so the main section that has released the satellite has just allowed the satellite to release into space. I believe about 3 minutes in. Yeah, so we're at 4 minutes. Now, the grid fins right here, these are going to slow the side boosters down. There it goes. Why am I pointing over here? Ooh, I get so nervous.
We also have successful shutdown
Okay.
of the side booster boost back burn.
Okay, so the side boosters are coming back to Earth. Landing zones 1 and 2 at Cape Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Nominal trajectory, that's great news. So the grid fins here and on the main core, I believe these are the 2 side boosters, right and left. So here we go back to the Earth. Here's the main core.
Guide the boosters back to a nice targeted soft landing. See those heading home right now.
Here they come. Coming in hot, literally and figuratively.
To recover all 3 of the first stage cores.
All 3. All 3.
On their way heading home.
They're coming back.
In just a few minutes, the side boosters will execute an entry burn,
Yes.
followed by a landing burn, and the center core will do much the same a few minutes later.
So the landing.
Burns are meant to slow the stage's speed down rapidly before landing.
So, this is a good view from
At
here.
the time of separation, the side boosters were traveling slow enough to turn around and make their way back to land at our side-by-side landing pads. The center core, on the other hand, is going
Sorry,
too
Everyday
fast to
Astronaut. I
efficiently
love your live
return
stream,
to
but
the
it was
So we're
just a
using
little
our
bit behind.
autonomous drone ship, Of Course I Still Love You. If we have a successful landing today, the side boosters will be reflown on our next Falcon Heavy mission, STP-2.
which is a big deal. Reusable rockets, guys. Reusable rockets. Elon Musk, team at SpaceX. Geniuses. Okay, so the entry burns have already... I'm not sure if they've happened. I may have missed it. I think... So the grid fins are out. The grid fins will come out on both the landings. The side fairings.
On your left and
There they go.
right screen.
So here's the grid fin over here. Looking for a grid fin there. It may just be camera angle. There we go. There's the entry burn.
There's the re-entry burn beginning.
Back into the atmosphere on both the side boosters. So I actually geek out about this so much. I have art online that is one of the side boosters landing on, of course, I Still Love You drone ship. So I'll post a link below if anybody's interested in that art. I think it's just the coolest thing.
And the re-entry burn is complete for the side boosters.
Okay, so now these are slowing down.
In 30 seconds, the center core, which you see on your center screen, will begin its re-entry burn.
Re-entry burn into the atmosphere. So it slows it down just a little bit. Okay, so we're watching for a re-entry burn for the main core. This is the payload carrying the satellite that's still propelling towards space, or to where they're going to release the payload, which is the Arab satellite 6A. So this is going that way, and these are coming back to Florida. See, you can see the ocean. There's the drone ship right there.
And there you can see the re-entry burn for center core.
There it goes. Good job, guys. This is traveling 18,000 kilometers per hour, really
Coming
fast.
up in about 5 seconds here, the side boosters landing burn.
Here we go. Here they come. Here they come. Simultaneous. Simultaneous. Here they come. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ah! Landing zone 1, landing zone 2. Watch this. Watch this. Here they come. Coming down. There they come. There they come. Look at that. Woo! Woo! Did you see that? Look at that. They can reuse those for the next flight. Sorry, I'm yelling. Well done. Yes. What a big deal this is. So cool to see those land side by side. Landing zones 1, landing zone 2 at Cape Kennedy Space Center in Florida.
Second stage, and for the center core to land.
Here we
If
go.
all goes well, we'll have successfully recovered all 3 boosters, which we have never done before.
Never. It's a big deal. These can all
Now,
be
coming up in about
reused.
20 seconds, we're going to listen for confirmation of SECO 1, or second engine cutoff 1.
Boom. SECO, second engine cut off. Waiting. See, here's the Earth. I believe this is the deployment of the actual payload, which is the satellite on board. Once this second engine cuts off, SECO.
Back shutdown.
All right.
And we have confirmation. Now we're just waiting to hear good orbit.
Center core landing burn. Oh no, sorry, re-entry burn.
Nominal orbit insertion.
Okay, so.
And we have that confirmed. Good orbit.
Now,
Okay.
coming up here in about 15 seconds will be the center core landing burn beginning.
That's a big deal. So the landing burn. So the
again,
center
as
core
we
is the
mentioned
first time
earlier,
they've
this is
ever
going to be a
recovered
challenging
the center
landing.
core.
And we are
On the drone
landing
ship.
on our drone ship.
Of course, I Still Love You. All right, deployment of the satellite. Here it comes, here it comes. There's the drone ship. Of course, I Still Love You. Ah, come on, don't cut out, don't cut out, don't cut out. No!
Looks like we lost the live view.
No! We'll see it again. We'll do a replay. Come on, come on.
Waiting for some
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Waiting for confirmation.
It sounds like we landed the center core on our drone ship.
Woo! That was cool if you can't see it, but
landed
woohoo!
the first time on our drone ship. Of course, I Still Love You. For the first time, we've landed all 3 boosters for Falcon Heavy.
Woo!
What an amazing day.
What a big deal.
So now we are going to take a quick break.
Ah, there it is! The center core!
You can hear our crowd going.
Oh my gosh. Okay, speaking of,
3 for 3 boosters today on Falcon Heavy. What an amazing accomplishment.
Zazzle, of course.
Now, the primary mission is still going well. We're about to enter the we'll leave you with an animation that shows you where we are throughout the coast space. We will be back at about T plus 26 minutes for second stage relight and the deployment of our satellite.
All right, here it is. This is my artwork, everyone. It's actually based upon a SpaceX photograph that I vectorized and turned into art. Available for public attribution, Creative Commons. Okay, here it is. Does that have a geek like that? Zazzle.com, SpaceX Falcon booster landing on drone ship. I want this shirt. I still don't own it yet, but one day I will own it. See? That's the booster landing on the drone ship. Of course, I still love you. So I will post a link below. It does come in all kinds of shapes and sizes and prints and... Anyways, thanks so much for watching, you guys. That was very exciting. Sorry it cut out. I don't have any control over it, obviously. Sorry I wasn't here for the actual launch. But another very exciting day in SpaceX history. Arabsat 6A. Successful launch, successful 2 side booster, both 1 and 2, left and right side boosters were recovered. The main core was recovered, first time in history. So all 3 cores, or all 3 pieces of the actual Falcon Heavy rocket were recovered, and the satellite was sent into space. So this is a big deal. We're talking millions and millions and millions of dollars saved. Yes, the vehicles will have to be refurbished and cleaned up and made sure that and inspected properly to make sure that they're ready to refly. However, Elon Musk and the SpaceX team and NASA, and although this was not a NASA mission, private space travel is now rejuvenating the United States space travel program. So the United States is back in the game for space travel. So that's very exciting. So thanks so much for watching. If you want to see any more reaction videos, I will post the links below. I really geek out over SpaceX launches. If you want to follow me, I would love for you to follow along on my journey. Hit that subscribe button, big red button just right below. If you want to give me a thumbs up, you can do that. If you hated it, that's cool too. Feedback is appreciated. Thumbs down. But if you do a thumbs down, if you could do me a favor and just write a comment down below and just let me know why you thumbs downed it, that would be really helpful, because feedback is just, it's huge. It's just as, bad feedback is just not bad. Negative feedback is just as good as positive feedback. So once again, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Until the next SpaceX launch, hit that subscribe button. See ya.